Hi, in this video we will see how to fix the error of stream has already been listened to in general, and also in the case of other notifications where I had this error. First I will give the solution to this error, and then maybe in video in the future do a resume on the stream to understand it. To resolve this error, you need to know some information. As you know, for example, in the case of the implementation of auto notification, we initialize the plugin on main function and request the user authorization, which is our mistake regarding stream listening. On your main page, before material app widget, start to listen to notification action to detect tab, and that's what we'll do later. And finally, in any place of your app, create a new notification. A lot of people think that this is because there is an active subscription, and canceling that will get rid of the error. By design, even if you cancel the first subscription stream and subscribe again, you will get this error. And when I say subscription stream, that means calling stream.listen or listen function. And the reason is because there are two types of streams: single stream and broadcast stream. And single subscription call listener on a stream to tell if that you want to receive event, and receive a stream subscription that can used to stop and pause events or provide events. And listening on a single subscription stream is not allowed, even if the first subscription has been cancelled. If single subscription cancelled, it's not allowed to listen to it. And to resolve this issue, you need to create a broadcast controller. Broadcast stream allow any number of listeners, but multiple subscription cause memory leaks. And according to the documentation of the Flutter, it's recommended to use a single stream. And we are going to use this. As you can see here, we have a class contains some function like an initialization function, user authorization function here, and then is a function that allow us to listen to our stream or subscription. But if we call our listener in the initState method, it works. But when we navigate to another page, then we go back to our page where the listener is called, the page is rebuilt and the function runs again, which triggers our famous error. To do this, we must place our listener, as I mentioned before, on your main page. Before material app widget, start to listen to notification actions to detect tab. So call to listener this fact here in the main function. And another problem encountered is about context. For those who need, for example, to call the navigator in the listener function or use context in listener function. To do this, just instead of putting the listener function in the main function, we place it just after the first line of the function build or build function and before the material, like this. If you want to cancel your stream, you can assign it to stream subscription. If not, you can just call your listen function here. Donc I call my function directly without assigning it to subscription stream. Just like this. That's our change, and now we are running the test to test it's working. I hope you can resolve that mistake. I explained in the case of awesome notification, but in general it's the same rule for the stream. If you want to listen to it, you have to do it in this area of your code. And to understand the stream, I will try to make a second video in which I will summarize the stream. You will find at the end of this video. Thank you all, and see you next.